Okay, we got the new Ninja. I'm gonna preheat it. And we're gonna cook some pork chops. Excited about the pork chops.
And not applesauce.
Ain't got no applesauce. I'm gonna use some of this Weber's steak and chop seasoning, gluten-free, 0, 0, 0. Hopefully this is good. Okay, we got them all seasoned up and we got them all on here. We got the probe put in and we are going to, got to push this down. I forgot about that. So we're going to go to preset. We're going to switch it to pork and we're going to go to medium. And then we're going to push, oh, it did it? So target temp is 140. Here we go. And I think it'll tell us to flip them too since it's on grill. This thing is awesome. And I'll use that other probe too just to make sure. Okay, it told me to flip it. So let's look in here. And we're gonna try to flip these. Get this done. Oh yeah. This is a game of skill. Sorry about my finger. Oh, there we go. Fit in there, fit in there. Yes. All right, that looks good. There we go again. Okay, so we got done. I said done. I opened them up, put it back down. I said rest and it started counting. So I want to do this. There we go. So you just hold it down and it'll tell you what the current temp is. That is awesome. So we're doing basically we're letting them rest and heat inside of here. So that's at 150. Let's see what my temperature says on my probe. $150, so that's good. 51, 47, 45, and 152. They're all done. Looks good. So let's shut it again. So just hold this down. Tells you the temp. Awesome. All right, they look awesome. And we'll take a bite and I'll tell you how it is. Yeah, that was delicious. Please like and subscribe, follow, click the bell for notifications. Thanks for watching. Bye.